All right, what's up, y'all? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We are at the Stockton Flea Market. Ooh, it's bright. We just finished up setting up, and yeah, it's like 7 o'clock right now. I'll be walking around soon, but I gotta sell for my dad for a little bit. Hired out. Now we can go walk around for ourselves. It's empty out here. Look how many stalls are empty. I'm not sure if I'll get a whole video out of this today, guys. Wow. We'll see. It's like nobody though. Like actually though this time. Like half the stalls are just empty. Alright, we got a little Mario Beach charger, whatever this is. My dad needed it, so I was gonna go get it for him, I guess. $5. Yeah, that Funko Pop that I just looked at sells for about 20 online. It's $5. I really don't only buy Funko Pops today, you know? Alright, I'm gonna give everybody a little more time, I guess. I don't know. I guess it's kind of early. It looks like nobody's setting up. Like, or there is, but like not that many. It's 7:53. And it's like not that many people, I feel like. I don't know though. I'm gonna say, I guess, sit down for a little bit, I guess, and give people some time. Cause I just walked around like the whole place and I didn't really find nothing. I mean, also, I'm inexperienced, so that's probably why. All right, it's our booth. I don't know if we really showed it off a little bit, you know. Got some furniture, some more furniture, some chairs, more furniture.
Size matters.
What's up?
Price matters.
Oh no.
$5. Some nice furniture. We got some bed sets. We got Rudy.
$15.
Good morning. You think this is all here? It looks like it's all here. It's $1, I'll get it. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Roller.
Let's find out. Alright, these are all new and sealed in box. Of course, this one's not new and not sealed. The box is obviously slightly damaged, but this sells for like $35. I'll probably list mine for 25 or something just because it's obviously damaged. How about this one?
Sekarang hindi naman ka anak. Huwag ka mag-anak. Wala tayo mas kagatos kayo. Mau sakit kung sisiriyo.
I'll take it.
Take it.
Hello.
All right, nothing like some tacos that I ate in the morning. Probably 30 now. Some good tacos though. They make some pretty nice tacos over there. Well, somebody's gonna be upset that I didn't get him food. I probably should have gotten food. I don't know if he actually wants food or his like meal plan, you know? Sometimes he be eating food, sometimes he eats his meal plan. It's hard to decide. All right, just dollying out this tree for somebody. I was just talking to my camera, sorry. All right, y'all, this is our booth again. It's after selling a little bit, we've sold a good amount of stuff, but it's looking pretty empty. We'll be doing a dollar sale soon. This is what it looks like before we do the sale.
Oh, that's your other account.
Let's say this is what it looks like before we do it.
Everything in the box is $1. $1.
A dólar, lo del piso.
$1 la fiesta, $1.
Okay.
A dólar.
Everything is $1.
Sí, tiene una estrella aquí al final de la numeración. Y pues los de estos son de sello azul, son de silver. Tengo de 1935 y 1935. Como ese de 50
¿Qué uno
porque tenía 3 ceros al principio.
Ajá.
Y la estrella. Y no son tan comunes.
Ahora.
What's your elephant? What? The elephant? $3 total? Yeah. Ahora sí va. Sí, pues es que ando queriendo agarrar tantita sombra. ¿Mande?
Plata por mucho no compran.
¿Tiene usted o qué?
No, el mío dice que tiene como mucha plata y quiere 400 por ella.
Bye.
Yo casi no compro, pero no sé, le digo a usted por si quiere.
Dollar. Everything over here is $1.
También a dólar.
¿En serio?
En serio, a dólar. Todo de aquí para acá es a
$1. Everything here is $1 but the dressers.
aquí para allá es a dólar. De aquí para allá. De aquí para allá es a dólar. No, de
So more
aquí
people
para
coming in
allá.
there, guys. Look it. That's how it works. You just yell $1. Bam, everybody comes in. $1. Everything over here is $1.
Dollar. $1 an item. $1 a piece. $1 an item. If you make a big pile, I'll give you a better price.
Alright, y'all, we're out. My camera's low. We have no extra batteries, so I can't record any more footage. So I'm sorry about that, but we're done with the video. Peace out. I appreciate you for watching, and I love you.